Hello everyone, today I teach you how to add ACS in Roblox Studio in very simple way. So please watch carefully and follow my steps, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. So let's start. The first thing I will tell to you guys, don't forget to enable these three important things. The Explorer here, Properties here, the lower right, and the toolbox. Here's the toolbox. Always enable that three because that's the most important thing here. So let's start. Go to toolbox and go to search ACS official, and there's something shown up here, and you will choose what kind of models you want to insert. So I choose this. I think this has no glitch here. Let's try this one if this works. So you will see here in the workspace the ACS 1.7.5 official release will show up under the base plate. So click this arrow, so there's a readme, there's a setup that's saying all you want to and first go to ACS footstep, click the arrow, and you will see the name ungroup in sound service. Example, this one, ungroup in sound service. You will paste these footsteps on sound service here. You will drag and repeat it. After pasting all the file here in the different places, so go to home, game settings, save to Roblox, save. Setting up server, then go to game settings, avatar type, please choose the R6, save, and yes. Then let's start. If this work, click play. You will hear the footsteps. I think it's work, but there's a problem in the ACS I extract. But there's nothing to worry about, guys, because all ACS is like that. You will extract all file in what they name, like this. So thanks guys, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and thanks.